Hello everyone, we are going to discuss this question from the quadratic polynomials. First of all, let's read the question. The question is, find the zeros of the quadratic polynomial x square plus 7x plus 10 and verify the relation between the zeros and the coefficients. It means in this question is asking about find out the zeros of the polynomial and find out the relation between zeros and the coefficient of this polynomial. Here we have to find out this. Then first of all we are going to copy down the given equation. It means this is p of x equal to this is x square plus this is 7x plus 10 equal to 0. This is the given quadratic polynomial. First of all we have to find out the zeros, then we can use middle term. We can use middle term breaking to factorize this equation. It means we have to, this is the middle term, we can use this to find out the zeros of the polynomials. So we can see that the sum of these are, if we can, this sum is 7, so you can see that the sum is going to 7 and product is going to 10x square. 10x square means this is 10 this into this. It means we can write down, if the product we are going to break this in two parts. If we breaking two parts, it means we have to find out, after breaking these into parts, we have to find out the product of these two numbers is 10x square and sum of this number is 7x. This is the criteria while breaking this number into two parts. Then first of all we are going to write down this equation in, we have given this is the 7x, this is the 10, then there is the only two way to find out this is product is 10 and sum is 7. Then we can write down this equal to px equal to this is x square plus 5x plus 7, 5x plus 2x. This 5 plus 2 7, 5 into 2 10. That's why we are breaking in a two parts, 5 into 2. 5x plus 2x plus 10 equal to 0. Then this will be, after simplifies, we can pair these two numbers. Then here if we take common from this x and here common from 2, then we will find out, if we take common from in this part of the equation, then we will find out, here take common x, then we will have x, this is x plus 5, and similarly here we will take common 2. Then after taking common 2, find out same part of this equation. It means this is also x plus 5 equal to 0. And again one more thing we have seen here, this is the common in both part of the equations. First part is this and second part. Then after that this is x plus 5 into here x plus 2. X plus 2 equal to 0. Then here x equal to minus 5 and x equal to minus 2. These are the zeros of the quadratic polynomials. Here this is the zeros of the polynomials. Here this is the first part of the equation, first part of this equation we have solved. Next part, to stabilize the relation between zeros and coefficient. First of all we will discuss about the basic equation of the quadratic polynomial. It means this is ax square plus bx plus c. This is the standard equation of the quadratic polynomial, where a not equal to 0, a, b and c are the constant. And then if alpha and beta are zeros of quadratic polynomial, then it can be write down quadratic polynomial, then it can be write down alpha plus beta, sum of zeros, it means alpha plus beta equal to minus bya. This is the standard relation, and this one is the alpha, product of the zeros is cya. This is also standard relation. Then if alpha and beta are the zeros of the quadratic polynomial, then it can be write down here alpha equal to minus 5 and beta equal to minus 2. Similarly, we are going to compare this equation from the standard equation. This is x square plus 7x. This is the x square plus 7x plus 10. After comparing this equation, then we are going to find out a equal to 1, b equal to 7 and c equal to plus 10. But in the question asking find the relation between zeros and coefficient. Zeros are alpha and beta, alpha plus beta. So it means if I am going to write down alpha plus beta equal minus b by a. B means minus 7, b minus 7 upon a means 1, that this equal to minus 7. Similarly, here alpha into beta equal to c by a. C means plus 10, c means plus 10. Plus 10 divided by a means 1, that equal plus 10. This is the relation between alpha and zeros of the quadratic polynomial and coefficient. These are the basic relation from this standard form of the line. We can also satisfy this equation alpha plus beta minus 7, alpha into beta plus 10. This is also satisfy the equation. This is the relation between the zeros and the coefficient of the polynomial.